In the bustling streets of ancient Israel, there lived a woman suffering from a debilitating condition for 12 long years. Known only as the woman with the issue of blood, she had spent all her resources seeking a cure, yet found no relief. Her condition not only brought physical pain, but also societal isolation, as she was deemed unclean by the law. Her life was a cycle of despair, pain, and rejection, until she heard about Jesus. News of his miracles kindled a spark of hope within her. She believed that if she could just touch the hem of his garment, she would be healed. With trembling faith, she pushed through the crowd and reached out. The moment her fingers brushed his robe, she felt a surge of healing power course through her body. Instantly, her suffering ceased. Jesus, sensing that power had gone out from him, turned and asked, "Who touched my clothes?" Fearful yet determined, she fell at his feet, confessing everything. Jesus responded with compassion, "Daughter, your faith has made you well. Go in peace and be freed from your suffering." This miraculous encounter transformed her life, demonstrating that faith in Jesus brings healing, redemption, and a new beginning. If you are seeking hope and grace, come to Jesus and experience the transformative power of his love.